Okay.
So hi guys, we're back with another video, and today we're doing car racing. And my sister is here with Doritos, and my cat is here again. Like you guys, if you guys were in our live, you can see our cat was in the live. And now our first matchup is going to be, if you like, this car is really gold, so you can't really see it. And then it's like this one, it's like a cheetah. And I'll tell you who wins it, like who's like the winner. So our first round. Like this, like that. And Cheeto wins the first round. Here guys, let me put it directly to you. So Cheeto won the first round, so Cheeto's going on to the second round. So I put him back. My Bumblebee. Wait, that's Bumblebee. And then this one, Bumblebee. Now this one, we're going to the next round over here. And now our second round is going to be...
The transformation is real. You literally...
Guys.
Every human being.
So... Oh yeah, guys, eating Doritos, not sponsored, by the way. So guys, I'm going to use this car. That's right. Oh yeah, and you can watch her too if you want. And you can guys get bored. And look, guys. So I'm gonna put him right in this truck. And I'm gonna walk the thing you see right here. And I'm gonna walk it. This one. And he won't get out if I move it. And I have another one that I have to keep that don't go down, guys. So, this has two of them. So, I'm going to use the tiny car. You see that's baby blue? Our next round is... that's dark blue. And I'm going to put him right here. And you're doing too much talking. You have to like this. And right here. And if you guys saw, this guy destroyed the hot dog. I don't know how many cars I have, but this thing says it holds 48 cars. Sorry. And I pretty much like fit like 52 or something. And this one will be going on to the next round. And then our next... And my mom's doing my sister's hair while she's playing. And I hate it. And then the next round is going to be this long car versus this animal car. Guys, so I'm going to use this car that's kind of big. That's number 7 by 8. Yeah. And that was a very close one, but this animal wins. And when it's his birthday, he's going to be 9. No, I'm going to be 8. He's going to be 8, and our dad's going to give us money. Yeah, to go to Florida. We might bring the laptop and make a video over there. And we'll show you how it looks in our apartment.
Airbnb.
And that was a close one, but no, I have to redo that one. I wasn't really paying attention. You guys, did you move? Okay, yeah, that's time. And man, these guys are battling it out. Yeah. And you guys just saw he got a little slow start, so he lost. Yeah, these are the cars that's gonna come. Okay, one. Wow, we are going really fast with this. There's only 3. No, use these cars that I sent you. Oh yeah, no, it's only a 10 car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Guys, might well be me. Yeah, this annoys her. No, don't annoy me. So yeah, and if you guys can see, this one just won. And our cat is watching us, and my cat, I think he died by the bear, or people just taking care of him. Yeah, but I don't know, where did you get those matches from? Are those actually the matches I put? No. And anyway, that car, guys, car is lit. This car powder pop. Ooh, he's got very aerodynamic. Yeah, this is the number 5.
Can they see
not
what you're
7.
doing?
Yeah, not 7. Okay, here's the card I sent you. Wait, stop. And guys, we have a dash thing for the car. Yeah. And the blue thing can go up. So guys, now this is coming at you because now my sister made some room. So guys, this is our final round. This is our final car race of the first round. So if you guys want, you guys could be guessing who's gonna win. These are the 2 ones that's about to go. But let's just focus. It's me. Hey, don't eat that. I already licked it. You're gonna have a bite. You can get the piece.
And Whiskers like crushing me.
Yeah, here's my cat's right there. Yeah, you can't see. Last round, if you can see on 1, 2. And if y'all see that, this one won. Okay, now it is the second round. You want 2 cars? I know. If we do both, and if you guys saw, this one just destroyed. First round, second round, he already won. Oh, no, y'all saw this one just won. Just put it in a ponytail. It's a ponytail, not a ponytail. Just put it in the bun.
Words can't tell you the complete truth. I can hope the words can only expose part of the truth. So I can only tell you a little bit with words. To show you.
Guys, see that white thing? This one won. Guys, see that white thing? It's not a ghost. It's just a what? Oh yeah, those are going to go.
That's what you're going to feel like you're experiencing. If you believe that it's causing a spiritual awakening, then they can help you.
I'm surprised it went so fast, guys. Wow, if you guys keep on going for this one, you guys are getting lucky because all this guy is doing is winning. I need to get that. Let me redo that. I wasn't paying attention again. I was paying attention to the camera. And y'all guys can comment if I missed that one. You guys can comment down below who actually won. Let's say which side won. Because I ain't paying attention. And it was just a tie. Okay, now if y'all saw that the bug won. And this one is out. Clean the car. Okay, that is your turn. Ah, that's cold. So that one's going on to the I think almost the final round. This way put in a bun because it's one right here. Bro, you guys are so lucky if you guys picked that one. This one's so good. He did pick that one. Yeah, I hope you guys picked that one. I did. And you guys can pick 2 cars to go on. Wow, this one is destroying. Guys, it's about to be the final round. After this race, which truck do you think's going on to the final round, guys? The red one or the gray one? Red one. Red one. Yep, red one's going on to the final round. Let me show you the 2 remaining cars. These are the 2 remaining cards.
I don't wash my head.
Sorry. Sorry if I keep on calling them cards. Because if you guys were in our live, you saw I kind of showed you guys the Pokemon card. And if you guys see, that was a tie.
And I take care of my hair done.
I guess who won, guys?
The red one.
Red Truck wins out of all of them. If you guys guessed Red Truck, you guys were right. And if you guys guessed this truck right here, you were almost right. And now let's add now. I think we should be signing off. So Eliana, say bye. Bye. And my mom's doing my sister hair. If you could, wait, guys, let me show you my mom. She's gonna say bye. Mommy, say bye.
Really? Did you tell them to like, comment, subscribe?
Well, yeah, guys, like, comment, and subscribe, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Mommy, you say bye.
Adios. Ciao. Avídase. Hasta mañana.
We'll speak Spanish sometimes.
Un poquito.
We're not like the Spanish.
So, guys, peace. See you in the next video.